Avery offers a variety of printable business cards that are versatile and can also be used as appointment cards, loyalty cards, thank you cards, and more. All of our business cards are compatible with either laser or inkjet printers. It's important to choose the Avery product that matches the type of printer you use. We will be using Avery 28878 Clean Edge business cards for inkjet printers, but the steps are the same for all Avery business cards. Start designing with Avery design and print software at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the Avery product number found on your packaging and click Start Designing. We offer 3 different template layouts to choose from: tall layout with 2-sided print capability for any vertical or portrait designs, wide layout with 1-sided printing, and wide layout for 2-sided printing. If you want to print on both sides, the software will make it easy for you regardless of the layout you select. Just follow the steps in the tool. We'll choose the option to print on both sides in a wide layout by clicking Select this template. The next step is to choose a blank or pre-designed template. To browse by design category, use the menu on the left. We will select this design and it will appear on the Customize screen. If we had chosen a blank template, we would add text boxes and images using the tools on the left. Since we started with a pre-designed template, we can just click into the text boxes and replace the placeholder text. Highlight the text or click on the edge of the text box to change the font style, size, or color using the options in the text menu on the left side. Click the edge and drag, or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move text boxes. Clicking on images or shapes in the design will open the controls for those in the left menu. When the front is done, click on Back of Sheet at the top to see the option to select either a blank or a pre-designed template. We will choose the blank back and use the text menu on the left to add a text box to customize. Just type the message in and use the controls on the left to adjust font style, size, or color. Click and drag to resize and move the text box. Click Preview and Print to see both sides of your cards and to confirm that you're ready to print. Watch our video on 2-sided printing to see how. Follow the print instructions carefully for the best results. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.